Hi everyone, okay, this is video number 3 for my big summer sale. So if you're interested in anything here, please email me at scoop71@yahoo.com and I'll see if it's available. I take it's US only, shipped to US only, and PayPal only. All right, this is number 10, and number 10 is $45, and it's just this. This is from the It's Fresh Start with Carissa scrapbooking event, May 17th and 18th last year. Can't even remember. But this was an exclusive kit. So it's a pretty big stamp set. So it's an entire stamp set. This is what you can make. And then all of the dies. So that's all the sentiments, that one big piece in here, and then all of the stencils, including the stencil that does the table mat. Just really cute. I really debated keeping it, but honestly, I have to let some things go. So this is $45. I think this is like a $60 or maybe $75 value. I don't know, but I do know that the only way you can get it, pretty sure it's exclusive, is to get it from somebody who's at the event. Remember, it's free shipping, so it's $45. It's one of those ones, too, where it's like, if it doesn't sell, then I'll use it, you know. Sometimes it's hard to part with things. All right, it's number 10, and that's $45. And number 11 is $38. And it includes some pretty old, not too shabby shop stamps. These are like from her original collection, pretty much. I still love them, but I have to let things go. This one have dies. This one. This is a new one. Also includes this more ephemera, which I never used. This one, brand new, and it includes the dies. And then this one, which I really love this one. I've used this quite a bit. It's our Halloween one. And this is $38. Number 11. And number 12. All right. Number 12 is, what did I say? Number 12 is $42. And it includes this die, this die, this die, these dies. This one is, I think it's like a Christmas cracker die. This one. It makes like a reindeer. This is from Time for Tea, and it does a cute bunny. And this popcorn die, blossom die. Okay, sorry about that. I sent my daughter to the store, and of course she interrupts me to ask me how many lemons I need. Okay, I was trying to like get through this, but I don't want to start over. This one right here, it's a popcorn die. This waffle flower, this, and then this big die. Those are the crafts. Okay, so this one is $42. Okay, number 13 is $40. And it includes this one, this, Okay, so this is 13 and it's $40. Are these cute? I don't know, I just never use them. They're really cute. Really cute. Okay, and number 14 is coming up. This is $50. All right, so the entire dynamite, so it's the rubber stamp, the stencils, and the plate that cuts all of these guys out. It's this one right here, which is Frosty. This is like a rubber stamp, but then you've got these pieces that you could do the noses. It helps you color in the noses and the hat. It also gives it a body and helps you decorate the different hats. And then you get the body die, the hat die, plus this stencil fits over that so that you can stencil around all of the Frosties. So that goes together. And then this one, this Be Hoppy, is a rubber stamp and then a stencil to stencil in the tails. This one is a background stamp, but gives you the little faces, so you could do faces on the pumpkins. And then here is this background, and it gives you the clear stamp to decorate the ears, and then this die cuts out the bunny faces. Okay, you also get a thing of the Cookie Monster embossing powder, because I already have one, and these 4 colors, which apparently I have those as well. And that one is $50, and it's number 14.